life-threatening and destructive and widespread winds are already here. For this significant wind event, we are taking an aggressive lean-forward posture, and the LAFD has staffed all available resources, strategically placing fire patrols and engines in the unimpacted high fire risk areas in the city.
Severe fire weather conditions will continue through tomorrow. The worst winds are predicted today for the late afternoon and into Wednesday. Please be assured that the Los Angeles County region is prepared. The anticipated winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in the LA region critical.
When we're giving you warnings, that's the time you should probably think about going. Actually, we recommend you go. Don't wait till the order's given. We don't want you to impact your own life or the life of your loved ones. Evacuation orders. We have approximately 88,000 residents that are still under evacuation orders. And regarding evacuation warnings, we have approximately 84,800 residents that continue to be under warnings. There is a decrease in these numbers, but as our fire partners have stated, it is still very dangerous for the next 24 hours.